Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel Best Jewel Collection. Please guys watch this video. I'm just saying that watch this video as well. So I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes as well. So guys, as you can see that it's a very new video of your pencil heels. So please for more new updates subscribe my channel and keep watching and keep visiting my channel Best Jewel Collection as well. Guys, it's a very new video and it's a very new video for girls, for teens, for ladies as well. So you can see that it's a very new video of pencil heels as well. So you can wear them anywhere, whether you are going to an interview or any type of job or any type of casual event or any type of party. So you can wear these type of heels as well. It's a very video and it's a very attractive video for girls and for teenagers as well. And guys, please keep subscribing to my channel as well. And as you can see that it's a very new video, so if you don't want to miss any video and if you don't want to miss any type of fashion idea, so please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And as you can see that it's a very new video of pencil heels. So for more new updates visit my channel in style creation as well. Okay, now I'm telling you that what is exact a pencil heel. We all know that a pencil heels is a long thin high heel, as we all know that elegant and charming. Pencil heels perfectly set of our legs. We all know that these are perfectly set of our legs and our long legs as well. So again, it's a beautiful figure of a lady and showing the confidence and the confidence of your modern lady as well. So we all know that if we think of who established the crazy chopins as a symbol of prostitution. So along with the red and purple dresses, so high heels became associated with the lowest stature of a woman. So as I've told you before, the history of the pencil heel, so it's more easier to know that you are wearing, it's more easier to know that what is about your pencil heel and what is exact a pencil heel. So I've told you before, so it's much easier to know that all about the pencil heel. And please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. It's a very new video and it's a very new video for ladies, for for teens and for kids as well. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon, inshallah, with a new video and with a new fashion. So take care of yourself and your family, guys. Allah Hafiz. See you soon in my next video. Okay, take care. Bye. Respect your parents and elders also. Allah Hafiz, guys. See you soon. Bye.